Hello and welcome back. Today we are going to be talking about frequency tables. So here you can see we have some observations listed, some data points. Which numbers appear the most? How can we arrange the data so it is easier to understand? A frequency table organizes data by listing each value or category and how many times it appears. Frequency means the number of times a value occurs. Okay, so let's take a look. How do we create a frequency table? Here are our steps listed out, and we'll go over an example once we go through the steps. Step one, list each unique value in numerical order. We should always be doing that with our data. Step two, count how many times each value appears. Step three, record each count in the frequency column. And lastly, step four, check that the frequencies add up to the total number of observations. Okay, let's do an example. Here we are. So here we have our observations. Below in red, you can see I just numbered how many we have, and we have 15 in total. Okay. So step one, we're going to list them in ascending order. We should always do this with our data. Step two, we count how many of each observation we notice. We have three threes, three threes, three fours, five fives, two sixes, and two sevens. Step three, we create our table. The value 3 occurs 3 times. The value 4 occurs 3 times. The value 5 occurs 5 times. The value 6 occurs twice. And likewise, the value 7 occurs twice. And lastly, we just add all these up to make sure it is equal to our total counts up here. All of these do, in fact, add up to 15. And that's it. We're done. Easy peasy. All right, so how do we read this thing? How do we interpret it? So some questions you'll typically see with a frequency table. Which value occurs the most often? We could see 5 occurs the most often. Which values occur the least often? 6 and 7, both of those occur only twice. How many total observations are there? We counted that up. We have 15 total observations. And which value would be the mode? The mode is the most reoccurring number. I made a note of that over here. 5 occurs the most, therefore 5 is our mode. Cool. Common mistakes we see with a frequency table: forgetting to list values in order. It's important they are always in ascending order. Missing one or more observations when counting. Be careful with your count. Counting the same observation more than once, and forgetting to verify that the frequency sum to the total number of data values. Okay, they must add up to the amount of values. This column here must add up to the amount of values we have. It's always good to double check that. Okay, here we have a practice problem. I'm going to give you a minute to pause and take a look at this. All right, let's take a look here. So we are given to create 2 frequency values and which value is the mode for each data set. All right. So first one, our frequency table should look something like this. Here it is not listed in ascending order. Let's take a look at this so we could rewrite it in ascending order to make sure it matches. Okay. This should look like, let's see, we have 2, 2, 2 right here. Bam, bam, bam. 3, 3. Bam, bam. 4, 4. Bam, bam. And our 3 5s are right there. 5, 5, 5. 1, 2, 3. Cool. So 3 2s, 2 3s, 2 4s, and 3 5s. Nice. Easy. Yeah. Our next one, this one was already given in ascending order, so it makes it easy. 2, 1, 3, 4. 2, 1, 3, 4 for the frequency. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I didn't go over the mode for the first one. We have 2 modes. 2 and 5 occur the most. So 2 and 5 of our modes. And for this one, 5 occurs 4 times. So 5 is our mode. Cool. And that's everything I have for you on frequency tables. Thank you for tuning in. As always, the notes will be in the description, and I will see you next time. Take care.